Namaskaram, ഞാൻ Eliza. Learn Malayalam with Elikuttiyilekku swagatham. If you're looking for a place to help you on your Malayalam journey, you've come to the right channel. Today we're starting lesson 25 in our beginner lessons series. Be sure to check out the other videos. If you haven't, I have a playlist right here for beginner Malayalam. It's a full comprehensive course, so if you missed anything, go back and check it out. Otherwise, we're going to jump right in. Today we're going to be learning about adjective forms. In our last lesson we started talking about things like nalla and mosham, but we're going to expand and look at more adjectives. And we're going to continue talking about objects. But before we do that, let's review. Here is our conversation in English, some clue words in Malayalam. Pause this video, check your notes, and then when you're ready, hit play and we'll go over the suggested answer. All right, let's look at our suggested answer. മീനാക്ഷി ആ വണ്ടി നോക്ക് ആ ചുവന്ന വണ്ടിയോ അല്ല ആ നീല വണ്ടി കൊള്ളാം എനിക്ക് ആ വണ്ടി ഇഷ്ടമാണ് പക്ഷേ ഈ മഞ്ഞ വണ്ടി എനിക്ക് ഇഷ്ടം ഇത് എത്രയാണ് 46 ലക്ഷം. All right, do you guys have a car? Fun fact, I do not own a car out of choice. I live in a city where I can take a bike or public transit, but I have had cars in the past when I lived in the UAE and other parts of the US. What color is your car if you have one? If you don't have one, do you have a bike? What color is it? Let me know in the comments. All right, so let's look at the first conversation for today. എനിക്കൊരു പുതിയ കുട വേണം. ഈ വലിയ കുട നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമാണോ? ഇല്ല, എനിക്ക് ഒരു ചെറിയ കുട വേണം. So, pudiya kuda. So we can look at the picture and guess what a kuda is. It's an umbrella. You'll often hear in conversational Malayalam they say koda, kuda. So there's a really famous brand, Pappi Kuda, and there's like a whole advertising jingle that like captured the whole millennial generation growing up. It's a whole thing. But in Kerala, it's always a good idea to carry a kuda to help protect you from the rain. ഈ വലിയ കുട നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമാണോ? Do you like this big one? ഇല്ല, എനിക്കൊരു ചെറിയ കുട. So he wants a small one. Next conversation. നാളെ എൻ്റെ അനിയത്തിയുടെ ജന്മദിനമാണ്. എന്ത് വാങ്ങിയത്? ഈ പാവ. ഇതൊരു ഭംഗിയുള്ള പാവയാണ്. അത് വില കൂടിയതാണോ? ഇല്ല, അത് വില കൂടിയതല്ല. So again, it's his little sister's birthday and he wants to buy pava. It's a doll, pava. And the person says, bhangiyula pavarane. It's a beautiful doll. Was it expensive? Villa kudi. Think of kudi, it means more or in addition or added. So villa kudi is like a big price, a larger price. And then it says Allah is not. All right, here's the next one. Ende talayirna cheritane. എൻ്റെ തലയെണ്ണ ചെറുതാണ്. ഞാൻ ഒരു നീളമുള്ള തലഞ്ഞ വാങ്ങും. ഈ നീളമുള്ള തലയണയ്ക്ക് 150 രൂപയാണ് വില. മറ്റേത് എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്? 200 രൂപയാണ്. അതൊരു പട്ടുള്ള തീരുമാനം. So here we're talking about pillows. തലയണ. തലയണ is a pillow. And cheritane, so it is small. All right, and I will buy a blue one. So this blue one is 150 rupees. And then we have mateda is like the other one. Mateda engane unde, like how about the other one? And the other one is 200. All right, and then he needs to make a decision. So in Malayalam, you have words that are used as adjectives, and often you'll see them with the a ending or the ulla ending, and we're going to talk about that. Now, in Malayalam, there are some adjective words that are just purely adjectives. So we have velia. Here it's written as valia, but you'll hear it said as velia, as big. Pudya, new. Paraya, old. Cheria, small. Kurya, short. Beautiful, one way to say is sundaramaya, expensive. Vila kudiya, easy. Elupamaya, long. Nilamula, difficult. Patula, or butimutula is another one. So we're going to look at how adjectives are formed. So we have two different ways. We have the unde ending and the arne ending. So you can see here, nilum for length, nilumunde, it has length. So nilumulla, it is the length having thing, nilumulla. Another way is with arne, sundaramane, sundaramane, it is beautiful. And to make it into an adjective, it's sundaramaya, sundaramaya. That adds the arne ending. Now, we're going to add some more objects to our vocabulary. For toy, we have kalipatam, kalipatam. If you think about it, kali is related to play, kalikuga. All right, umbrella, kotta or koda as spoken. Talayana, pillow. Pava, doll. Sanji, bag. Now before when we talked about bag, we used bag for like a school bag. Sanji is more for like a carrying bag, like something you would use to go shopping with, or like a tote. So sanji is like a specific type of bag. So let's practice. Here is the conversation in English, and I'd like you to translate it into Malayalam. Pause the video, use your notes, then come back here and press play when you're ready to go over the suggested answer. Katrina, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരു പുതിയ ബാഗ് വാങ്ങണമോ? വേണ്ട, എനിക്ക് പഴയ സഞ്ചി നല്ലതാണ്. പക്ഷേ എനിക്ക് ഒരു വലിയ കൂട വേണം. ശരിക്കും നിങ്ങളുടെ കൂട സുന്ദരമാണ്. അത് ചെറിയ കൂടിയാണ്. നല്ലതല്ല. Okay, so nallatalla, it's not nice, it's not good. All right, did you have any other things that you wrote down for your answer? Put them in the comments below and we'll see. If you have any doubts, questions, or concerns, put it down here and I will be sure to check all of your responses. In the meantime, do check me out on Instagram, continue following me here on YouTube for more updates for our Beginners Learner series, and I hope to see you in the next one. Apo eല്ലാം പറഞ്ഞതുപോലെ.